Garage. I see you took the cans out of it.
You have a big eyes and you can't see it. Wow.
And you're making crap up.
No, it's not.
I'll
okay.
read after that.
Okay.
I'm not before it.
Okay. There is it.
Pay attention what's before and what's after.
Oh, andito na si Tommy. Kinuha lang niya yung glasses niyang tatlo. Ang bilis naman. Ang bilis. So, andito siya. Wow, that's quick. I thought it's... Ang bilis. I thought you still have to fill it. Hmm? Huh? No, I want to see over here with how it looks.
Okay. But they feel weird because you're adjusting, you're taking off from one prescription to another, so you can have to wear them for a couple of days before they feel normal. Is that okay?
Oh, huh? Seriously?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Well, I haven't changed glasses in so long, so.
It looks nice. I like that. Why does it feels weird? What is it? It's kind of curvy. The road is curvy.
Okay, it doesn't feel really clear. But...
Oh, it's not clear?
Oh, no.
Seriously, you can't see the...
Well, she said, no, I mean, it just doesn't feel normal. And again, it could just be a different prescription. So, let's see. I'll keep these up here. I'll wear those. You want to see the other ones, right?
Yeah. I like that. So, but why is it kind of weird?
What do you mean?
Is it fits you good?
Yeah, I feel fine.
Huh?
I feel fine.
Okay. I like that too.
Maybe the earpieces are not quite as long. That's okay. I feel okay.
Okay. I like that they have their individual, but I don't like that. I like the hard case.
Yeah, so do I. You can buy the hard cases, but they don't give them to you.
Okay, oh, that's the different color. Oh, I like that.
These,
They're all good then.
These feel less weird than the other two for some reason.
What is weird?
They feel like clearer.
Clearer?
But these also don't have a transition coating on them, so they won't get dark. These are just,
wait,
just clear
so
glass.
that will have a transition?
Yes.
Okay.
I think that an enhanced transition, supposedly it'll get dark even while you're driving.
Okay. So I want you to wear that one right there. And let me know. So this to have a transition, so that why you don't that transition of that? It's expensive, right?
Well, it's expensive, but also I wanted one without transition, just like in the Philippines I bought one without transition.
Yeah. You don't even know how to put it back.
Well, like I said, that should be a hard case.
And guys, this is what happened, guys. We came here, guys, because Tommy doesn't really need glasses. He has a ton of glasses. But thing is, that's his old glasses. Look how small is that. And the thing, guys, was we came here because they have $79 for two what?
2 pairs.
And then free examination, right?
Right.
And my husband, guys, ended up paying $700 because they lied to us.
They didn't lie to you, but
No, they lied, hon. That's always a scam like that. You know that?
no.
I know, but
yeah, this didn't turn out to be a deal.
I was shocked, but it's okay. He deserved to have a new glasses. Hon, if it turned dark, honey, it's nice, hon.
Well, it should turn dark, but
Because I know, but I can see it already.
Yeah, from
A little
whenever
bit.
the light is out.
Yeah.
When there's no sun and the sun.
But it's
hopefully
nice,
gets better.
honey. Oh, look at the new glasses from my big boy. Huh? Guess we're going. He's smoking. Oh, look. Hi, smoker. Smoker.
Let's see what I can read on these signs.
Okay, can you read that sign? Can you read?
Well, health first.
The small one.
Insurance for New Yorkers.
No, the small
I can't
one.
read the small. I can read on the purple signs. I can read those things dirty. So I see OTC plus.
After that, under that.
MLS format, do, undo. It's like it's Spanish or something.
No, after the OTC plus, under that.
It looks like it's in Spanish.
No, it's not. Wow, you are. Plans Medicare Advance Con OTC Plus. Nah, di nakabasa. Yeah. Halahan, you cannot
It says
read.
format. How do you get plans Medicare? What are you looking at here?
OTC Plus, the green one and then the purple
Green
one.
No, I'm looking at the purple one on the window over here.
Which one?
Right there. The window on the right side of the door.
Yeah, OTC Plus. And then after that is and then there is a purple Medicare Advance plan
Seriously?
with OTC Plus. Yes.
Well, you're going to make me get out of the car and we'll go over there and look.
Wow, now I cannot read and see seriously.
Okay, let's put the other one back on.
We're reading over the signs in the store. Napatay, hindi na makabasa, hindi na makakita si Mister. Honey, that's a fake glasses, honey. Nan? That's a fake glasses. Now. Okay, now what?
And you're making crap up.
No, it's not. What is your glasses now? It's Spanish, seriously? Okay, can you read the OTC plus under there?
I see. Plans, Medicare Advantage.
That's the one I said, and you cannot read it.
OTC plus, but after that.
Oh,
No, you said under after that. I'm
okay.
reading after that.
Okay.
I'm not before it.
Okay. There is a...
Pay attention what's before and what's after. So it is Spanish afterwards, right?
Yeah. Hello, Han, you're gonna hit me, Han. That's the first time you swing your...
You're just trying to make me think I'm out of my fucking mind.
Okay, put it back and see if you can see it.
No, I could see that before too, but you said
Seriously?
after.
You said
Yes.
OTC plus, and then I
Right,
said
you
under
said
that.
after. Under it.
Under the OTC?
Under or on top of OTC plus?
OTC.
Yes, you said under. Now, where is it exactly?
There is an OTC plus green color. Green color on top, on the very top.
Oh, no, I was reading the purple. Really? Seriously?
Ay, okay na guys. Say na bye
Yeah.
guys. Uy, kasi my husband is crazy.
My wife's losing her marbles. I tell her I'm reading the purple to read the smaller letters. So I'm reading the smaller letters I see. It says OTC plus, but then it says like MLS format D. Rondo. I don't know what the hell it says. It's
Okay
Spanish,
guys.
so.
Okay guys, bye. Guys, good morning. Pinalabas ko lang itong mga kawawa kong aso. Lalo na si Misty, kawawa talaga siya kapag umaga. Kasi talaga yung snow kapag tumigas na kaunti yung sa ibabaw and then biglaan siyang pababa yung mga legs na sobrang short. O tignan nyo yan o. O diba? Tawang-tawa ako niyan kasi alam, hindi naman yan sila nasasaktan talaga. Pero natawa lang talaga ako kasi ito si Misty sobrang hindi siya tingnan nyo na. Tingnan nyo yung kawawa naman itong monkey. Gusto lang naman talaga siyang umihi guys. Pero nahirapan talaga siyang maghanap ng lugar. Buti na lang nakahanap siya. Pero meron din ako ditong nakitang dalawang usa. Deer o. Yung dalawang yan. Paminsan marami pa yan sila. Naghanap niya ng mga pagkain kasi wala na talagang dahon. Puro na, hindi napatay. Natutulog lahat ng mga halaman, mga damo natutulog. O tingnan nyo si Misty. Kawawa naman itong monkey. Uy. Si Misty, okay lang naman siya sa snow. Kaso lang, takot talaga siya. Lalo na kapag sobrang mataas yung snow, guys. Nahirapan. Ito na mga roxicles ko. Andyan lang siya. Naglaro-laro. But anyway, so ang ganda ng umaga ngayon, guys. Kasi tignan nyo yung sikat ng araw. Kita nyo sa kabila. Diba ang ganda? Kapag ganito yung mga araw na talagang pagsikat na ganyan, sobrang ganda. At din may snow. Ay, mag-spark talaga yung light sa snow. Anyway, so yun yung umaga namin, guys. Babalik lang ako sa loob kasi sobrang ginaw. I hear you, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh. Where is Hams? Where are you, Hams? Where? Sumasagot? I know. You wanna come in here? Kawawa naman. Tus, you wanna come? Okay, I will let you come up. Come on. Oh, happy baby. Hi guys! Ito guys. Ganyan yung asawa ko. Asawa ko, alaga ko guys, si Habs guys. Oh my God. Ang galing-galing makipag-usap. Ang galing. But anyway, good afternoon. Dito lang kasi ako sa office, kaya siya din iyak ng iyak. Ginoo ko. Nag-ano lang ako. Nag-edit. Nag-edit ng video at saka gusto ko rin dito Hala, tignan niyo naman. Kailangan ko na itong labhan. Labhan, ay. Kailangan na ni mamang maglaba. You cry, baby. You're a cry, baby. Ngayon, si Tami naman nagloko. What, darling?
What did you do with my cigarette? You took the cans out of the bag. What did you do with the bag of cigarettes?
What?
The bag of cigarettes in the garage. I see you took the cans out of it.
You have a big eyes and you can't see it. Wow. You have a big eye.
What did you do with them?
Oh my God, he's looking for his magic cigarette, guys.
My magic cigarettes. You took the cans out of them, so I know you did something.
Wow, you cannot see it. There's something wrong with you, darling. Darling. Darling! Why you can't find it, darling?
You show me where you put it.
Well, we go outside and you look around. It's impossible that you cannot see anything.
Why would you take them out of the bed?
No, but look, go back over there and look.
Are you buying my shelf seriously?
Seriously, you cannot see it?
No, I'm looking for the green bag. The green bag. It's in a green bag.
He's a blindy guy. Blindy. I know. When I was upstairs editing, you know what happened? I heard that detection. Ting, ting. I said he's looking now with his cigarette now.
Yeah.
So
Why
I'm just
my stuff?
seriously, I arranged it properly, not like dump it everywhere, okay? I did arrange your stuff because you're dumping everywhere. So now I know you're looking, and that's why I came out really fast and smiling. Because I know you, darling. I know you. Ay. And I'm editing, and then you cancel my editing, and my son is whining like crazy. Luckily, special. Look at this, guys. Come on, special bug. Hey, come on now. Come on, huh? Why no? I've been there. The next day. Where are you? Hindi ako nagising umalis si Tommy, guys. I know, hinalikan ako eh. Trabaho siya. Nakikita niya yung sarili niya, guys. Good morning. You wake mama up? You wake me up this morning that you wanna eat something? Who is that? So yun guys, dahil ako na lang mag-isa, wala si Tami, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys. Kita-kits tayo next time.